Saving with Shay. Why did I do that? I'm here for my midweek haul for you guys. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, take a second and subscribe. I am Shay with the guns. Ooh, the bicep. If y'all not following me on my fitness channel, it's linked in the description. I just posted my shoulder back workout yesterday. So all my routines are over there. It's a 5-day split. I wanted to mention something really. Let me say this. This is off topic. Look, I've been doing these protein bagels, right? And you use Greek yogurt and flour, salt, baking powder. I posted the recipe over there too. So I've been using the Greek yogurt, but I didn't have any more Greek yogurt, so I used that goat milk yogurt that I got at Sprouts, and I was just like, I don't even think I was gonna try it. I didn't have enough nerve to try it, and so I tried it. Well, I asked Chat GPT, can I use goat milk yogurt instead of Greek yogurt? And he said yes, and gave me the recipe. It's just you have to use more flour. Anyways, I make them in 4s, and I just ate the last one today, but I added cheddar and cheese and jalapenos, and so freaking bomb. And so I'm definitely gonna use the rest of that goat milk yogurt for my freaking There are new surveys on Flavor Wiki. One of you guys hit me up. When I checked this morning, I didn't see anything. It literally popped up like maybe 20 minutes ago. But I got freaking some for Trader Joe's. I know some of y'all was saying that y'all got some for Kroger. Y'all don't have a Kroger near you. Look, the closest Trader Joe's for me is probably like 50 miles away. So I don't know why, Flavor Wiki said this is the great survey for you. I don't know why, and so yeah, it's happening to me too. But I do have the, what is it called? Snack Club Fiesta Mix Nuts. That one popped up again. I didn't do it last time because I couldn't find them, but I have since found them and they are on clearance. So I'm definitely going to be grabbing that on my account as well as Joseph's account. Now I do have another retake for the Kroger, Pop-Tarts for the chocolate box, but I got my receipts mixed up and I don't know which one is which, and I don't want to have no issues, so I'm just gonna be buying them. All right, since it's a retake, I don't technically have to buy them, but since I don't know which receipt is which, I have to rebuy them. And so I think in the future though, I'm gonna probably write on the receipt like mine or his, so that I can keep track that way. Because normally with the retake, you don't have to repurchase it because you're just retaking it. If it pops up again, like solely on its own, then yeah, you have to repurchase it. I mean, you have to buy it again and submit a different receipt. And so other than that, we're gonna head to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching. Alright guys, alright, so this first deal is on the Snack Club. We had this on Flavor Wiki like the last time they had the snacks, and I couldn't find them, but when I came like literally 2 or 3 days later, I saw them, so that's how I knew they had them here. Now, one of you guys hit me up and was like, oh, there's some new surveys on Flavor Wiki. When I checked this morning, I didn't see any, and when I checked, I actually had one for, these are interesting. I actually had one. Well, I had some for Trader Joe's, which I know a lot of you guys were saying that you got the ones for Kroger. You don't have a Kroger near you. I get Trader Joe's, and I don't have one near me either, but I do have one for this again. These are on clearance for $1.50. Normally $2.18, so not that big of a reduction in price, but I'm going to go ahead and grab one at $1.50, getting back $5 on Flavor Wiki, making this a $3.50 moneymaker. Now, I have it on my account as well as Joseph's. I'll go ahead and do it on both, making both free plus a $7 moneymaker. And for me, it's only on the Fiesta Mix, which I got the ones that expire. There's some that expire in May and July. I got the ones for July. And so, all right, so this next deal, they actually don't have the particular flavor that I need on the Kodiak oatmeal. You want to get the apple, is it apple pecan, I want to say. But they don't carry it at all in my area. It's priced at $5.98. Now for this, you want to grab one. Well, there's 3 options. You can grab one of them. You'll get back 3 on Fetch. 2 on Ibotta makes it 98 cents. If you want to get 2, you'd pay $11.96. You get back $3 for each on Fetch Reward, plus 85 cents for spending 7, and then $4 on Ibotta, making them $1.11 for the 2, or 55 cents each. And last but not least, you would grab 3 of them. You would pay $17.94. You would get back $10.70 total from Fetch. which would be the 85 cents for every 7 times 2. $6 on Ibotta, which would dabba dabba da. Why do I keep stuttering so much? Which would make it only 41 cents per box. And so, yeah. And so next up is Ollipop. Now, I did this deal yesterday. Someone had posted that it was working for 1, but then somebody else posted it's still working for 2, but it's taken off $3.99. So technically, I could have got twice as many of the Ollipops. I could have got twice as many because let's just round it up to 2. 2 for I paid 4, got back 4. So I'm a little sad about that, but I don't even think this offer, the OTC coupon, is available anymore anyways. But I did put a post on my community post. They're priced at $197. The offer is I think it's buy one get one free, or is it buy 2 get 1 free? Buy one get 1 free, or buy 2 get 1 free? Are those the same thing? Is it the same thing? Or is it buy 2 get 1 free as in you buy 3 and get 1 free? Or buy 1 get 1 free as in buy a total of 2, 1 is free. Anyways, listen, so for this, what I did, I bought one at $197. I scanned the OTC coupon, it took off $2.12, so it made that like a 15-cent moneymaker. Plus, we've got 75 cents back on Ibotta. I mean, I'm sorry, I wish it was 75 cents back on Ibotta, 25 cents back on Ibotta. Making this a nice little small moneymaker. But again, your girl's still a little sad that I didn't at least try to get to and see what it was scanned for. But anyways. All right, and then this deal here is on the C4. I finally tried this. I think I tried did I try this one? I tried the frozen bombsicle. Yeah, these make me itchy. I forget what is it inside it that makes you itchy, but the C4 makes me itchy. Like the Rockstar, that don't make me itchy. Like when I'm at the gym, I'd be working, I'd be like, damn, why am I itchy? I'm tingly and itchy. This does that. So they're priced at $6.28. I do have another free offer, but I won't get one free for aisles. I'm gonna buy 2 of them. We'll end up paying $12.56. We'll get back $4 on Ibotta and $6.28 through aisles. So it makes them $1.14 each. I think I'm gonna hold off on this deal until tomorrow for my weekend bonus. And so next up is the Friskies. So this particular store, they don't carry the gravies. What's the other ones? There's gravies and there's shakes. They're in little packets. I did them in my last video. They don't carry them here. But those are on clearance for 50 cents. You want to grab 2 of them. You pay $1, get back 75 cents for buying 2 on Ibotta. Makes it 25 cents for the 2. And then the other thing I grabbed again that they don't have at this store either is the Fancy Feast gems. They're on clearance for $1. Get back $1 on Ibotta. There is a bonus of $1 when you buy 4. What else? There's also 35 cents back on Fresh Reward as well. So it'll make it a 35-cent moneymaker for each one. I went ahead and maxed it out for both Walmart rewards as well as Ibotta. And so, yeah. All right. Next up is, something we really don't need. It's the warmers. I went ahead and grabbed it since the last oils that I got were Glade. And so I figured, hey, why not, right? So I can put these into a little bundle for offer up. So the single is priced at $178. It's a freebie on Ibotta. So you'll get that back. I'm probably going to grab one for Walmart. Well, I already did. That's why there's none here. There's only 2. I did Walmart rewards right there first. And then I have the other one there for Ibotta. It makes it free. There's also an offer on the double pack, priced at $3.28, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta. Would make that 78 cents. And I'm kind of still on the fence as far as that offer. I'll probably wait until we get our weekend bonus tomorrow. What else over here? Oh, the Palmolive. I did share this in my last video, y'all. And a lot of you guys said that they're on clearance in your area. They didn't clearance them down in our area, which would have been awesome. They're priced at $2.82 for me. I know some of y'all said y'all got them for $1 on clearance. I wish. But as y'all can see, we got a clear shelf right here. Well, hell, I bought 8 of them yesterday. Let me stop. We're going to grab a total of 2 of them, priced at $2.82. You'll pay $5.64, getting back $4 on Swagbucks for buying 2. There's also 65 cents for each on checkout 51. Makes them 17 cents each. I went ahead and maxed it out and grabbed 4 per receipt. Did Swagbucks as well as inbox dollars. Now, a couple of you guys let me know that there is Colgate and Palmolive rewards. It's spend 20, get back 5, or spend 30, get back a $10 Visa virtual gift card. So I kind of gathered up like a few of my receipts for the last 2 weeks so that I could submit for that. So hopefully I'll get back 10, which will then make all of the Palmolive that I got yesterday a nice little money maker. And so yeah, not a bad deal on that. And of course the Arm & Hammer deal is still good. Doesn't look like the store. They have one right here. It's priced at $5.44, getting back $4 on Ibotta. Makes it only $1.44. I have to show you guys these really cute exercise outfit. Oh, I have to show you guys. This is so cute. Look, I saw it yesterday. Aren't these so freaking cute? It's a little one piece. It's little shorts. I want to get it so freaking bad. And it crosses in the back. And it has a little pocket. I want to get it so bad. But girl, my ass is cheap. I'm like, when can it go on clearance though? I want to get a black one. I freaking love it. It's so freaking cute. So freaking cute. Kind of reminds me of like a tennis dress. And then they have this one, which I don't like because I don't think it'd be very flattering on me. But this one right here and this color is bomb too. I like all these colors, but I just don't like the price. But I had to show you. So this next deal is on the Arm & Hammer toothpaste, priced at $3.98. I wish them Peelies that we had got, I wish those were still good. Mine's expired at the end of last year. For this, we're gonna grab one price at $3.98. We got $1.50 back on Swagbucks as well as $1.50 on Ibotta, bringing that down to only 98 cents. And so, yeah, all right. I noticed that this offer on Ibotta for the Inkbox tattoos, they went up in price. Well, the value of the rebate went up to $5. So they're priced at $9.98. Getting back $5 on Ibotta would make that $4.98. All right, barely getting around to mentioning this deal. I've seen a lot of other people get it. It's on the arthritis hot, like icy hot situation, I suppose. It's priced at $2.96. Bam. Getting back to Lowe's on Ibotta makes that 96 cents. I believe the limit on this is a limit of 3. I'm gonna pass on it, but yeah, not a bad deal for a little icy hot. All right, I went ahead and did this deal again on the Extreme 3, priced at $6.78. Can you see it? Bam. Let me stop. It's too quiet in here. I feel like everybody can hear me. Using this coupon right here, it expires on the 1st. My ink was so low. I was lucky that they scanned with the gun. He'll pay $3.78, getting back $3. I'm sorry, $4 on Ibotta, which makes it a 22-cent moneymaker. It reset for me 2 days in a row, so I believe I have no more resets. And so yeah, not a bad deal for some reasons. All right, guys. So here is our complete haul for today. Everything here worked out really, really good. I was actually surprised that the Fancy Feast reset again, so I did it for Walmart as well as Ibotta. And I must have got the absolute last that they had. I'm happy that I went because I went after I got Josiah from school and I was like, well, they reset. Let me go do it real quick versus doing it this morning. So Walmart rewards for Fancy Feast ×2 and for the Glade worked out perfect. I got everything back. The Palmolive is still in review on Swagbucks and Inbox Dollars. I still have to do the surveys for Flavor Wiki for the Snack Club and the Kroger Pop-Tarts, which I'll probably work on after Josiah is home from school. And yeah, coupons for the razors scan perfectly fine. I did the Ollipop, which I'm excited to try because I've never tried that brand. But if it tastes anything like that pop culture, then I don't think I'm gonna like it. Cause I was like, where's the pop? Where's the culture? I don't know. I wasn't feeling it. But I've heard really good things as far as the Ollipop. So I try to get different flavors, so we're gonna see. But the OTC worked perfectly fine for that. Like I said in the video, I'm just like a little salty because I didn't at least try to get 2 to see what it was scanned for. I could have got twice as much. I could have got 10. I could have hit the Ollipop rebate on Fetch Reward a few times. And so other than that, we're going to breeze through this. Josiah still at school. That's why it's so quiet. All you hear is the white noise from the water machine. That's it. So everything that you see here retails $91.87. We had $22.60 in coupons and OTCs. Brought the out-of-pocket down to $69.29. My sales tax was $6.75. And then getting back $33.78 from Ibotta, $20 from Flavor Wiki. Walmart Rewards is $11.78. The Colgate and Palmolive Rewards, or C&P Rewards, is a $10 Visa. Someone said it takes a while, so I'll have to be patient with that one. Swagbucks is $8. Inbox Dollars is also $8. Checkout 51 was $5.20, and last but not least, Fetch Reward was $3.10. Getting back a total of $99.86 makes everything you see here free, plus a $30.59 moneymaker, which is really awesome considering. I think these last few hauls have been really, really awesome. It's almost like an old times type of deal or situation. Yeah, that makes me happy. All right, so other than that, I appreciate you watching. If you make it to the end, give me a flower in the comments. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching. Did I say that twice? I think I did. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.